Hi, Pepito Farai is my name. English to Chinyanja. I need a doctor. Ndikufuna a dotolo. I need a doctor. Ndikufuna a dotolo. There's been an accident. Apo pachitika ngozi. There's been an accident. Apo pachitika ngozi. Please hurry. Chonde fulumirane. Please hurry. Chonde fulumirane. I have cut myself. Ndazicheka. I have cut myself. Ndazicheka. I have burnt myself. Ndazitenta. I have burnt myself. Ndazitenta. Are you okay? Kodi uli bwino? Are you okay? Kodi uli bwino? Is everyone okay? Kodi wina aliyense ali bwino? Is everyone okay? Kodi wina aliyense ali bwino? Stop thief! Imambava. Stop thief! Imirira kawalala. Call the police. Itanani wa polisi. Call the police. Itanani msirikari. Call the police. Itanani kapokola. My wallet's been stolen. Chikwama changa chandalama chabedwa. My wallet's been stolen. Chikwama changa chandalama chabedwa. My wallet's been stolen. Kachola kanga kandalama kabewa. My purse has been stolen. Chikwama changa chachizimai chandalama chabedwa. My purse has been stolen. Kachola kanga kachizimai kandalama kabedwa. My purse has been stolen. Kachola kanga kandalama kachizimai kabewa. Thank you for listening. Subscribe my channel for more apps. Hi, Pepito Farai is my name. English to Chinyanja.